Hi, hello friends, good morning. Today we are entering into our zone, soil science. And friends, don't get afraid or don't think much on your subjects. And this is not only for soil science, I'm telling to all your subjects because these PowerPoints, reading materials, and all like an object or a tool to know the subjects. Just simply listen, observe, digest, and then enjoy your subjects. Okay. And coming to a regeneration of soil or a deteriorated soil, first we are going to discuss about what is soil deterioration or soil degradation. Under this, first we have to know what is soil degradation and how it becomes a global problem, and then types and process of soil degradation, and finally impact of soil degradation on soil productivity and fauna and its effect on our environment. Okay, first we'll see what is soil degradation. It is nothing but the changes in soil health status or changes in any properties like the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the soil that will affect the productivity and fertility of a soil. And this degraded soil health status will cannot able to produce provide the normal goods and services as like our normal soil. Okay, and this soil degradation and land degradation is named itself used interchangeably. So no difference in soil degradation and land degradation. And how it becomes a global problem, because it affects over 3 billion acres land worldwide, that will seriously affects the productivity of a soil and also the supply of food materials. And more than 33% of peoples are affected over 75 countries of countries due to soil degradation. And it seems it gives large number of negative effects, so it considered as a global problem directly. Okay, and next we'll see the process of soil degradation. This includes soil sealing, soil erosion, soil salinization, soil contamination, and compaction. First we'll see soil sealing. It is nothing but the covering of topsoil that will affect the entry of water and air into it. This will mainly happens in construction areas. And second, soil erosion. This you all very well know, it's a natural process or a human, due to it will happens due to human activities also. This is nothing but the removal of topsoils either by wind or water or any materials, and this will affect the soil fertility status. And next one is soil salinization. It is nothing but the accumulation of salts on the or cations in the soil surface. And next we'll see the soil contamination. This will due to the disposal of industrial, municipal, and commercial wastes. It will contains it highly harmful chemicals and the heavy metals. This will affect our drinking water, groundwater, and also the surface water. And next we'll see the soil compaction. It is nothing but the hardening of subsurface layer due to usage of heavy machineries. And next we'll see types of soil degradation. We have in this we have water erosion, wind erosion, chemical deterioration, physical deterioration, and degradation of biological activities. Water erosion is nothing but the removal of topsoil by the influence of water. Wind erosion means by the effects of wind. And next one is chemical deterioration. It is nothing but the changes that happens in the chemical properties of soil that will affect the fertility status also. In this, first we have loss of nutrients or organic matter content in the soil. And second, we have acidification. It is nothing but the soil becomes more acidic due to the excess leaching of cations. Pollution is nothing but the changes in the properties of soil due to any human activities or industrial and improper agricultural activities also. Salinization means accumulation of salt. Acid sulfate soil means the release of iron, aluminium, and some heavy metals due to the release of sulfuric acid or due to the acid rain in the soil. And eutrophication, as we discussed in our environmental course, it is nothing but the accumulation of nutrients in the water source will affect the groundwater also. it will directly affect the quality of groundwater. And next we'll see physical deterioration. Under this we have waterlogging, compacting, sealing, crusting, lowering of water table means groundwater table, subsidence of organic soils, mining and urbanization. In this first we will see waterlogging. Waterlogging means the stagnation of water in the topsoil due to excess irrigation. This will commonly occurs in poor drained soils, means our vertisoils, our black soils. Second one is soil compaction. This will it is nothing but the reduction or decrease in the pore spaces between soil particles due to excess use of heavy machineries or heavy loaded machineries. Soil sealing means covering of ground by some impassable materials or impermeable materials in soil. Soil crusting means this will happen like thin layer or dense tough material than the underlying material. And lowering of groundwater table due to all this, and the subsidence of organic soils due to reduction in organic carbon content in the or organic matter content in the soil. And finally we have mining and urbanization. Mining, you all very well know, removal of nutrients from the soils or metals from the soils. And urbanization means due to reduction or due to increasing urbanization or construction activities will reduces the agricultural land, that will induces also the deforestation. And next we'll see degradation of biological activities. This will affect both the soil flora and fauna, and also it will reduces the microbial activity in the soil. And next we'll see causes of soil degradation. How the soil or the or means the causes for soil degradation. We have immediate cause and underlying causes. Under immediate cause, due to changes in the topography or due to changes in the climatic weather conditions like temperature, rainfall, wind, it will directly influence on soil degradation. And also due to unsustainable land management practices or agricultural practices like improper irrigation or improper tilling operations, deforestation, mining will reduces the soil fertility status. And then due to increase in population density or due to the increase in urbanization will reduces the agricultural land, will leads to poverty. And also it will reduces the production or food supply, means marketing. This will directly or indirectly influence on the soil degradation. And next we'll see consequences of soil degradation. We have direct and indirect consequences. Directly it affects on soil fertility. Due to lowering in soil fertility, it will reduces the productivity of a soil and also the agricultural land reduction. We cannot able to produce more amount of crop produces. And also deterioration of water quality will or improper land management, it will increases the flooding, drought, pollution, salinization and acidification are comes under direct consequences of soil degradation. Indirectly it affects on transportation of goods and services, poverty, economic losses, etc. And next we'll see impact of soil degradation on productivity of a crop. Since it is considered as a global issue because due to it affects on food supply, and also it affects the production in poor and marginal areas with the low or no income. Its cost of degradation is classified as light, moderate and severe degradation. If the production loss is under 5 to 10%, then it is considered as light degradation, and up to 25% production loss it is considered as moderate degradation, then up to 75% or even up to 100% loss it is considered as severe condition or severe degradation. And this affects will affects the food production system with land management techniques, or due to improper usage of fertilizers, irrigation methods and usage of heavy machineries will affects the soil or it influence the soil degradation. A reduction in organic matter status or organic fertility status or soil fertility status will affect the soil fauna also, that will wholly affects our biodiversity, and it will affect our ecosystem. Then it will that will influence on degradation of vegetation and impairment of activities of microflora and fauna in the soil. And with this we have completed 2 lectures: soil degradation types, process and impacts of soil degradation. Kindly go through it. Thank you guys.